So hi guys, today we're gonna take it away. Take it the screen and the frame, and I will show you the iMac inside how you're gonna take it the frame and the screen. So what do you need? First, you need this is the tool that I will. It's not the tool, but maybe it's familiar to you guys. This is so many people, elderly people, they use and they whenever they take a shower, and they use this one that they can adjust themselves, and yeah, they can hold on it that they don't want to fall down. So this is the tool that I will use. Very simple. Just press the screen and push it, this one and the other one, then hold it bottom the frame and pull it. See, this is the way you will take it as screen cover. So next step is I will take it out to this frame. Okay, now second step is just turn it this way. As you see right here, there's a screw that you need to take it out with the flip screwdriver, like this. Yeah, like that. And this is also comes very easy. And then straight. This is all right. Now, as you see, there's a screws are here. Here, I took it away before that I start the video, but I left only four screw there, and there's a special screwdriver for the iMac screw that you can use it and take it out. Not this one. This is the one that torques. Then just as you see, as you know right there. Yeah, this is the screw. Okay, sorry, this is the okay. So whenever you take this screw, you have to be careful that don't scratch the screen. And slowly and surely you can take it out here. Okay. Yeah, it's done. So of course, before that I took this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws that I took before the video. Yeah. So what are we gonna do? Just pull it. There, slowly. That's it. This is the one. That's right. Also, there is a cable that connecting with the camera. You have to take it out very gentle and stop somewhere here, that pull it to the connection. So this is the way it is, that you can take it away the frame. Before you started take it away the old screen and frame, of course you're not gonna plug the cables, right? So you have to take it out the cable, and of course you will push the button release all the power. Yeah. So next third step, and I mean it's like we will take it out this screen completely. Yeah, there's a, before you're taking out that screen, you need to take out this cable, that which is what the screen is gonna come out. This is the one. And then yeah, how many screws we have here? 1, 2, 3, and I think it's 3 other side. As you see, it's very easy to take it out. You know, the screws are so simple. So this iMac has a problem because the hard drive. So I tried to fix it, and I will put the new one. Of course, I have to take it away all these screws, then reach the hard drive. I hope you guys seeing here. Alright, these are the screws. Okay. Now before I take this, look, it's moving now. See, it moves. That before I take it away, I have to just lay it down like this, and then what we're gonna do. Okay, now that's what we're gonna do. Just slowly take it out. This gentle. We took this cable already. As you see, there's two. How I can show you that I'm trying. As right there. See, there is a cable. This. Yeah. There's two cables there. Yeah, there is two cables there. Here, just you need to pull it, and another one is right here. Right here. This is the one. This is the one. Just push to sideway and pull it. Sorry, little difficult, but all right. So this is pushing. All right, this is the one. You push just to side and pull it, and this is the way this monitor comes out. Okay. So as you see, take it all the way up. Yeah, as you see here, the hard drive that I need to renew. This is the hard drive. I will sure that I have to put the new one. So this is the way you take it out the screen frame, and you reaching the point that you can see the hard drive. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.